friends, welcome back to Uttarashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Tabouli is a bulgur salad with fresh parsley, diced cucumber and tomato, and dressed simply with olive oil and lemon or lime juice. It's refreshing, light, and packed with healthy ingredients. Tabouli salad is a famous Middle Eastern salad, not only very popular in the Middle East, also very popular in Western cuisine as a healthy, vegan, vegetarian-friendly recipe. Let's start by bringing 1 cup of water to rolling boiling. Add 1 cup fine bulgur wheat to a bowl and pour hot boiling water. Mix. Add finely chopped parsley and mint. Mix well. Cover and set it aside for 7 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the container and mix. Look how well the bulgur is cooked. Now time to add my favorite vegetable, chopped tomatoes. Cucumbers. A sprinkle of salt. Pepper. Extra virgin olive oil. Lime juice. Mix well. Cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. If you have time, make this salad ahead and refrigerate overnight for bursting flavors. Transfer to serving dish and garnish with freshly chopped parsley. Enjoy this healthy vegetarian salad. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye bye!